Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to be back. I've truly missed you all. I hope your new year has started off beautifully, filled with health, happiness, success, and exciting new ventures. Now let's catch up. Comment below and let me know how your year is going so far.
What you guys have? What do you have?
I have fries, chicken tenders, and cheese.
All right. What about you, Bria? What you got?
Fries, chicken tenders, and cheese.
Nice. What about you, Ari? What you got?
The same thing as the
The past couple of months for me has been incredibly busy, trying to balance running my business, cherishing time with family and friends during the holidays. One of the biggest highlights was celebrating a major milestone, my twin daughter's 10th birthday. It was a special surprise birthday celebration. My husband and I wanted to make their birthday extra special for them. We first took them out to their favorite restaurant for a family fun dinner. Little did they know the real surprise was waiting for them the next day. The following afternoon, we hosted a beautiful outdoor poolside birthday party, the perfect setting for our water-loving girls. The DIY decoration to the fun setup, I poured my heart into making it a celebration they'll never forget. Watching their smiles light up as they saw the surprise and enjoyed the day with their family and friends made it all so worth it. Later on within the same month, the team and I had the opportunity to work on one of the most luxurious wedding setups we've thoroughly enjoyed doing. Even though there were some challenges with the venue having some strict restrictions that limited what we could do, however, that only motivated us to get more creative and resourceful to bring the couple's dream wedding to life. We started with the ceremony design and wanted the focal point to be a breathtaking center layout. So, what we did step by step for the wedding ceremony, we first added our design. So, the aisle consists of draped chiffon table runners elegantly cascading from the pews. Then we added tall floral arrangement to frame the walkway, and then we added pillar candles to create a soft romantic ambiance. The second thing we did was transform the stage. The stage was large, so we used a canopy backdrop to add structure and fill the space beautifully. We did do a mock-up setup so we can kind of get a look and feel beforehand how the canopy would look in the middle of the stage. Since the canopy had to be built on site, I have to give a huge shout out to the men on the team for stepping up as our handyman that day. Next, we draped the canopy by adding 4 drapes to each corners of the canopy to soften the look and create an ethereal feel. We created the floral runner at the top of the canopy by attaching the flowers securely to a long wooden plank using zip ties. Once the arrangement was in place, we fastened the plank tightly to the canopy beams with additional zip ties, ensuring a firm and seamless hold while maintaining a beautifully elegant look. Hey guys, so as you can see, I decided to switch it up a little bit for the church ceremony. I wanted to do something very grand because of the amount of space that was on the stage. As you can see, it's a pretty big stage. So what we decided to do is we wanted the aisles to look full. So what we did with the aisles, we added this beautiful chiffon drapery with the gold brooch at the center, as you can see. And then if you keep moving up, we have the vases on the ground. We have 3 vases surrounding the crystal clear stand. And then we have this 3-inch vase with this big flower vase. Okay, the stage is pretty huge. So what we did is we did a canopy on the stage because we had so much room to work with. So we wanted to utilize the space in the room that we had on the stage. And we felt like by having a canopy is the perfect way to go. So this is the finished look. I showed you guys a little bit on how to put it together. We had to have our guys put it together for us. Let me know what you guys think. So you're gonna see how it looks going down here. If you turn around. After completing their ceremony setup, we moved on to the reception hall. This venue had a lot of design limitations, so the key was to elevate the space while working with its existing layout. We also did a mock-up just so we can get a broad view on how the venue space will look like and how we can achieve a luxury look in a simple venue space. Some of the key elements for transforming a simple venue into a luxurious space is you want to elevate your lighting and drapery. You want to introduce warm tones and flowing fabric to enhance elegance. Then you want to use specialty linens and napkins. It adds texture and richness to create a sophisticated tablescape. Following that, you want to create a luxury tableware. You want to style it with gold cutleries, crystal champagne flutes, decorative plate chargers for an upscale touch. Next, you want to have statement floral centerpieces, a stunning mix of tall and low floor arrangement for dimension. Another important thing you want to incorporate in your decor is by having elegant seating. Use Chiavari chairs for a refined and polished look. Also, a heartfelt shout out to our incredible coordinator and designer, Sonia and Vanette, for their dedication and hard work. It was truly a team effort, coming together and working tirelessly to bring this wedding vision to life. None of this would have been possible without each and every one of you. Thank you so much to the entire crew.